back to my channel. My name is Erica and this is ScrunchyAZMom. So in today's video, I wanted to bring you a really simple, really quick, and really easy dinner that's really great for weeknights when the kids have homework, when you're busy, when you're just getting out of work. So what's great about this dinner is you can go ahead and prep your ingredients ahead of time to make sure that on a busy weeknight that this will be ready for you to just prep it, put it in the oven, set it, and forget it. So this is not going to be a super authentic, in detail Mexican recipe, but this will get you your Mexican fix any night of the week, super quick and super easy. So if you like this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Alright guys, so let's get started. So we are going to take some boneless, skinless chicken breasts and drop those into some boiling hot salted water. And then just to add a little bit more flavor, I am going to add in some ingredients to make it kind of like a stock. So I'm going to take one whole carrot and just split that into two pieces just so it fits a little bit better. And then 1/2 of an onion. I'm going to take one stalk of celery just chopped up into 3 big pieces, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 bay leaves for added flavor, and I'm going to let that boil for about 30 minutes. Then once the chicken is done being boiled and it is fully cooked, I'm going to shred the chicken with my absolute favorite kitchen hack, and that is to use a handheld mixer to shred the chicken. Now just as a heads up, this is a lot easier to shred when the chicken is still hot, so I do it right out of the boiling water. Then I'm gonna go ahead and prep my corn tortillas. So I'm just taking some basic corn tortillas and lightly frying them in some corn oil. And I don't want to fry these too much because if I fry them too much, then they'll go ahead and crack on me. But I just need them to be malleable and soft enough so that when I roll them into the enchiladas that they don't rip. And then once they're done, I'm going to go ahead and put them on a paper towel to absorb up all of the excess oil. I end up needing about 13 for this 13 by 9 casserole dish. So if you're using this size casserole dish, that's probably about how many corn tortillas you'll need if you're just making the one layer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and roll the chicken up into the little enchiladas and roll them up really neatly so that they all fit, and then I get the most enchiladas in one casserole dish. And because this is an easy weeknight meal, I'm going to use a canned enchilada sauce. This is just a green chili enchilada sauce by Las Palmas that I just picked up at Walmart, so it's really easily accessible. And then I'm going to pour the whole can onto the enchiladas because my husband likes them to be really saucy, so I'm going to add the whole can. For that delicious, cheesy, but a little bit spicy topping, I'm going to add pepper jack cheese. I just picked this up at Walmart. It's a generic brand and it melts really, really nicely, and it adds that nice kick of cheesiness and also spiciness on top of the enchiladas, which I really, really like. You can also use, just cheddar cheese or whatever other cheese you wanted to use, but this is the cheese that I specifically like for this enchilada dish. So once that is ready, I'm going to cover that with some aluminum foil to ensure that the cheese gets really hot and melty and bubbly in there. And then I'm going to stick that in the oven at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and shred the lettuce that I'm going to use to top the enchiladas. And this is just really simple, self-explanatory. Just shred some lettuce. Now the enchiladas are out of the oven. That was about 25 minutes. They are delicious and gooey and bubbly, and I'm going to serve that with a side of traditional Mexican rice and then a little bit more rice. go ahead and top that with a dollop of sour cream. And that is it, guys. That is my super simple weeknight chicken enchiladas.